Okay, so first step is to grab the clips you want. I got mine from Sutra Edits. I linked their channel in the description. Before you do anything, go to Beats. Then click on Auto-Generate Beats. Now, for the first transition, take a picture of the first frame of the clip you want to slide in. You can go to the website called remove.g. I'll link it down in the description. Align it to the beat or transition and make it about 0.7 seconds long. Resize it to match the clip. Add a keyframe near the end of the overlay. Add another keyframe at the start. Make sure your timeline is on the keyframe before doing this step. It should be red. Make the overlay a bit smaller and move it to any side of the screen. Now go to Graphs. Pick anyone you want, it'll use quad out. It should look like this. Don't worry, we'll fix this bad transition later. Now search and add the dissolve transition. Make it 0.3 seconds long. Fixing the chop transition. Now go to Speed and click on Curve for this clip. Click on Custom and copy my settings. Resize it to match the beat. It should look like this. Now repeat the process for the other clip. Now for this part, we will do a reverse speed ramp. Copy this custom graph setting. Resize it to match the beat. Duplicate the clip. Copy this custom graph setting again. Resize it to match the beat. Reverse it. It should look like this. Now just speed ramp these other clips. Reverse speed ramp. Now for this transition, you don't need to copy me, just do what you did with the first slide-in transition. But if you want to do this, copy what I do. Now just speed ramp these other clips. Reverse speed ramp. Normal speed ramp. Reverse speed ramp. Add any ending you want. If you made it to the end, congrats. You've learned how to make speed ramp edits. Like and subscribe if you want more tutorials.